Cut that off. Hello, my garden friends. I am Natalie from SacredSeedsJA. If you're new here, welcome to you. I am creating a backyard food forest. I hope that you will join us for this journey. Today I'll be carrying out a small experiment. This is a bunch of Callaloo that I bought at the market. Now, I'm going to be eating this bunch of Callaloo, but I am going to be saving the stalks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stalks. And what I'm going to be doing is I am going to cut the bottom sections off and I'm going to be planting them, because I've heard that if you replant these stalks, you will get new Callaloo. So I'm going to try this method because it should be faster than sowing the seeds. So I'm going to be trying this out. Now, for the stalks, I'm going to be putting them in the container. And I'm also going to be putting them in some toilet rolls so that when I'm ready to transplant them, they'll be already rooted and grounded in soil. So the transplanting will be easier. So let's begin the process. I'm going to take these off and I leave about 3. Should be enough. Okay, this is 1. I'll just take the bottom pieces off. And I'll cut it right here. I mean, if this works, guys, it'll be amazing. The process will be quite shorter. I won't have to wait so long to harvest my Callaloo. Okay, let's cut it right here. So this part I'll be eating, and this part I'll be planting. Okay. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Let's put these back in the pot. Okay guys, now I have to ensure that I put these the right side up, so I am going to see which side is growing. I've left one little sucker right here and it is growing up this direction, so obviously I'm not going to turn it this way, I'm going to turn it this way. Alright, so all of them will be upright like this. Okay, all of them up, 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 and up. Alright, good. Now I'm going to put it in the soil. Now here I have some soil prepared and I am going to put 5 of them in. So I'm going to make 5 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to stick them in. Put the first one in here. Okay, this one. Next one in here. 2. Three. 4. And the last one in here. 5. Okay, there you go. I'm going to add some water. It's a little water. Callaloo loves water. Okay. Now I have 3 more, but these 3 I'm going to be putting these 3 in toilet rolls. So what I've done is I've folded the bottom section. So I'm going to do the same thing for all 3 of them. Okay. Now, I'm just going to put a few leaves to seal the bottom. Seal the bottom. To seal the bottom. And then I'm going to be adding some soil to each of them. Okay, let's add stalks inside. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to be putting these inside here. Okay. Okay, that's it, guys. All we need to do is watch and wait. Let's just watch and wait, guys. Let's just watch. Let's just watch and wait.